Welcome back, XCar enthusiasts, to another deep dive into the automotive world. Today, we're not just looking at a car. We're dissecting a statement, a philosophy on wheels, the 2025 Aqva. And before anyone asks, yes, we are focusing solely on its mesmerizing exterior, every curve, every line, every millimeter of its groundbreaking design. From the moment the 2025 Aqva rolls into view, it's clear this isn't just another compact hybrid. Toyota has truly embraced a more aggressive design language for this iteration, moving it further from its humble hatchback roots and giving it an almost SUV-like presence. The overall dimensions, approximately 4,050 mm in length, 1,695 mm in width, and 1,505 mm in height, contribute to this newfound visual heft, yet it retains a remarkable compactness for urban maneuverability. This balance of robust appearance and agile footprint is a testament to Toyota's design prowess. Let's start at the front. The 2025 Aqva features a bold, almost menacing hexagonal grille, a departure from the more subdued grilles of previous generations. This large, dominant feature is framed by sleek, narrow LED headlamps that seem to pierce through the air, creating an almost predatory gaze. The reshaped hood, with its subtly sculpted lines, flows seamlessly into the grille, enhancing the car's sporty and tough demeanor. Integrated LED fog lamps are nestled low within the bumper, adding to the car's modern lighting signature and providing enhanced visibility. The front bumper itself is more squared off, contributing to the broader, more grounded stance of the vehicle. Moving along the side, the aerodynamic profile of the Aqva is immediately apparent. The designers have meticulously crafted every panel to reduce drag and optimize airflow. The subtle crease lines running from the front fender to the rear taillights create a sense of motion, even when the car is stationary. It's a design that suggests efficiency and fluidity, echoing its hybrid powertrain beneath the skin. The wheel arches are more pronounced, housing alloy wheels that, depending on the trim, are typically 15 or 16 inches. These wheels are not just functional, they are an integral part of the Aqva's aesthetic, with intricate spoke designs that add a touch of sophistication to its otherwise rugged appeal. The side mirrors are aerodynamically optimized, and integrated turn signals provide a premium touch. Now, let's talk about the lineage. The Aqva, known as the Prius C in some markets, has a fascinating history of exterior evolution. Since its initial unveiling at the 2011 Tokyo Motor Show, previewed by the Prius C concept, it has undergone several significant facelifts. The first in December 2014 introduced a crossover-inspired variant, and a second in June 2017 further refined this crossover aesthetic, renaming it the Aqva Crossover. For 2025, Toyota has taken those evolutionary steps and pushed them further, culminating in a design that still hints at its predecessors but feels entirely fresh and contemporary. It's a natural progression, showcasing a brand that isn't afraid to reinvent its most successful nameplates. The rear of the 2025 Aqva continues the theme of modern athleticism. While it shares some design cues with older models, there are distinct refinements. The taillights, for instance, are narrower and more elongated, wrapping around the car's rear corners and emphasizing its width. The rear bumper is notably more squared than before, providing a sense of stability and strength. A subtle, integrated spoiler at the top of the rear hatch not only contributes to the car's aerodynamics but also adds a sporty flair. The overall rear design is clean and uncluttered, with the Aqva badging proudly displayed. The exhaust outlet, if visible, is subtly integrated to maintain the car's sleek profile. This attention to detail, even in areas often overlooked, speaks volumes about the thought put into the Aqva's exterior. Beyond its static beauty, the Aqva's exterior design plays a crucial role in its performance. The aerodynamic sculpting contributes directly to its exceptional fuel economy, which often exceeds 60 mpg combined. The carefully engineered body lines and minimized frontal area reduce drag, allowing the hybrid powertrain to work with maximum efficiency. This isn't just about looking good, it's about functional design, about form following function in the most elegant way possible. Even the choice of tire sizes, often 185/65 R15 or 195/55 R16, is a carefully considered aspect of its overall exterior and performance package, ensuring optimal grip and a balanced ride. In essence, the 2025 Aqva's exterior is a masterclass in modern automotive design. It's a blend of sophisticated aggression and understated elegance. The designers have managed to imbue this compact hybrid with a robust, almost SUV-like presence, while retaining the agility and efficiency that define the Aqva name. Every panel, Every crease, every lighting element has been meticulously crafted to create a cohesive and visually compelling vehicle. It represents a significant leap forward in terms of styling for the Aqva.